Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny. So guys, I've come again with another gist. This one now is very hot. Carry your popcorn, you know. So before I start this video, I just want to refresh your mind. I made a video um some months ago telling you guys that someone that is a queen in the palace gave birth to a baby, but she's not allowed to showcase the baby or say it in public because it's only Queen Naomi that is allowed to showcase her baby. A whole lot of people were, I will link the video here on the comment section on my description box. A lot of people were saying I don't know what I'm saying, that is a lie, and so few days ago I still made a video telling you guys that it is not only Queen Naomi and Olori Ashley that is in the palace, that there are still other women that are still in that palace as queen. Most of them that you guys know them, like you guys know them, but you guys don't know that they are one of the, will I say, mistress, concubines, or wives of the king, of King Oni of Ife. You know, people are still in the comment section debating, saying it's a lie. Bring proof, bring proof. Okay, you see these pictures here, saying here, these beautiful ladies. How many are they? 6. These are the wives, the concubines, the mistress of Oni of Ife. I know most people are familiar with Queen Naomi and Queen Ashley, and there is other extra 4 people there. 6, only 1 man. Some of them are already showcasing themselves. Okay, now Gistlover posted today. Let me read what he posted on his Instagram page. He said, "Hello Twatwa, our old gist is all over the place now. Na fresh gist from oven we dey chop now. Be like all the other queens, don change am for Naomi. They want to be seen too. Who remember this gist wey I talk say one of them born sef, but dem tell the queen not to make her royal pikin public except Queen Naomi pikin alone. Things dey occur for all this royal house. I come in peace." So she now wrote something in Yoruba. You can pause and read the Yoruba if you're familiar with Yoruba words. So guys, so this is what is happening right now. You know, I told you guys nobody believe. Okay, let's read some of the comments. This one said justice for queens. This one says silly me be thinking na only Queen Naomi dey. You understand? And this one says, so now the king marry all these ones. And this one said, I thought he only married Naomi. You know, this is the thought of so many people. This is the things they were dropping on the comment section. And this person said, I thought she was the only wife. This one said, Naomi is the youngest and the one he wants to represent him. They should take their issues up with the king if they want to. You know, you can pause and read it. So these are some of the comments people are dropping on the comment section. Like if you go there, comments are plenty. Some people are happy that this thing is happening to Queen Naomi. Some people are very shocked. Maybe this is their first time of hearing that there are other small queen inside the palace apart from Queen Naomi. A whole lot of people, a whole lot of reaction, a whole lot of opinions. People were, you know, and the thing I noticed there is some Yoruba women are so happy that this thing is happening to Queen Naomi. Why? Like, why are you guys happy that it's happening to Queen Naomi? This can happen to anybody. You don't need to jubilate when things are not going well with other people. And my question is, all these women, all these ones here, even these ones that are old enough to be the mother of Oni of Ife, are they going to the king just because of fame? Abi, is it because of fame they want to answer Kabiyesi wife? Is that why all these old women are fronting themselves? Most of them has children that are grown-up children. You want to marry your pikin now? It's not even all of them. These ones are the ones that the publics know. That there are other ones, hidden ones that he wouldn't know. But one day, I go shock una with all those ones. I'm so happy that Gistlover posted their pictures and I can use it and make video. I never wanted to like put their pictures out there, but thank God Gistlover have made it public, so it's no more a hidden stuff. But I remember I've told you guys about it several times and all that. But guys, I just pity. um I'm just like, I don't know how I'm feeling right now. One, for Queen Naomi, I don't even care about how the king is feeling, because he's the one that got himself in this love triangle. You understand? You are married to Queen Naomi. If you want to marry this one, marry them. Not that you be jumping from one woman to another. Abba, respect your wife, respect your king. I know Oni of Ife is entitled to marry as many wives as possible. Yeah, marry them, make them public. Not you'll be showing the world that is only Queen Naomi that you have, whereas you have other women. You understand? You tell them not to showcase themselves. Many of them has children inside that palace, I'm telling you. Apart from these ones he are seeing here, apart from these ones he just saw their pictures, there are naive ones that are inside the palace that are Koko Yoruba, that are not even on social media. They're not even on social media. They are inside that palace as the king's wife, and they have kids. Some have one, some have two. This I'm telling you is true, honestly. They don't even know anything. They're just these Koko Yoruba people, they're inside that palace. So this thing now is one of the reasons Queen Naomi is not living inside the palace. She is living outside the palace, but she visits the palace regularly. Man, the king should do the right thing by, okay, make all these people public now. See, I know that even if the king marries 12 wives, 10 wives, is only one person that will be representing him as the queen, as in the eyes of the public, right? But other queens too, other wives too, are supposed to be made public. You're supposed to showcase them to the public. The public needs to know that, oh, these people are still your wife. You don't need to be hiding them. Now, all of them, all these ones, now all those queens, all those concubines, mistresses, wives, all of them now want to show themselves. All of them want people to know that, yes, we are the wife of Queen, we are the wife of King Oni of Ife. Who no one talk saying be wife of King Oni of Ife? The famous, the rich and respected king, right? So the world is changing. So everybody now, all of them now, they like people where they tie rope for somewhere, they just lose the rope. Everybody, they want to show the world that they be king's wife. In fact, they're not even hiding it. There is war in paradise right now. I pray God should continue to protect Queen Naomi. Honestly, I pity that young lady. Honestly, I wonder what she's feeling right now. I wonder, all this battle every day of your life, you are battling for another woman, this one. King, take am easy. Your bowl, the rest. Wow. Honestly, but me sef, the king did not even force these women. Most of these women are doing well. Most of them are old. The one that is freaking me out is, you see that one, see those two down, that picture that I showed you. If you see those two down, look, check them out now. What are they doing with the king? Make them go retirement now. They want the king to marry them a bit too. In fact, I don't even understand. Anyway, I'll keep updating you guys of the current happening in this palace. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. I love you guys. Just drop your opinion without insulting anybody. Okay, bye, guys.